man in our church. His name's Lionel. He has some problems with his knees, and he's an elderly man, and his knees swell. And there's some medicine that helps that, and it helps with the pain a little bit, and keeps the swelling down. And it's about $28 a month. That's what you guys are doing when you do your work and helping him have a better quality of life. And Mr. Lionel doesn't have a car, so he walks everywhere he goes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down to the church, and I'm going to show you guys how far it is to his house, and hopefully he's at home and I can get him this medicine. Okay, so just so you get an idea, this green building right here, this is our church. So get an idea, that's the bank. This is where he lives. This is where our church used to be. At one time our church was in this little blue and white building. Hey, ¿qué tal? Mira, pase, ¿cómo está? Mira su pie. Lástima. Es duro. Okay guys, so I just got that done. Mr. Lionel is almost in tears and thankfulness for that medicine. If you got a minute or two, I'll ride you around and show you around town. This is the Central Park. Almost every town has a little Central Park in it. Most of these Spanish cities are Catholic, so you get the Central Park, and then it's almost always right in front of a Catholic church. And there's the Diriamba Catholic Church right there. This is like on one side of the church is a one-way street going up, and on the other side is a one-way street going down. And those are the two main streets in town. There's where we get our ice cream. This is the going down street. It's not very far from church. So you can see our church is kind of right in the middle of town. This is the next street over. You can go both ways on it. This is the street I came down, and right here we are back at the church. We're right on the corner. So here we are. Thank you guys. We really appreciate your help. It helps us to be able to give medicine to people, and then also that way we can share the gospel with them, and it gives us a reason to go by and visit. And well, we thank y'all. God bless you.